Alto muna. Alto first. Page 6. Sila muna soprano, ito muna.
Hello, Ma'am Lala. Can you use the microphone and talk?
The mic is still.
Hello.
Okay, it's working.
So let's sing. Okay, everyone, sing Everlasting Father.
Everyone?
Ready, go.
Everlasting Father.
It's out of tune, right?
Yes.
You hear yourself, right?
It's off.
Soprano one, you're off. You hit it.
Everlasting Father. Okay.
Although you're doing okay. So you need to blend on. You need to hear yourself. Ready, go. Ready, go.
Everlasting Father.
Soprano. Soprano. The same until the last.
Oh.
And then you separate in the thing, Father. So altos is like, altos when you sing, don't make it floaty. Can you sing?
Matthew. Continue with your sectionals first.
It's very
Practice with the ladies. Continue with the
Make it Father. It's like you're scaring some. Don't sing Father. You sound like that. Sing from here.
Everlasting Father.
See, one by one, huh? Ready? I will tell you when. Ready, go.
Everlasting Father.
You got it on the second beat. You hear yourselves now, it sounds better, right?
Uh-huh.
That's correct. You are dwindling with the thing, okay? Make it sure. You're like, sound like, everlasting Father. Again, slowly, huh? You wash one hand, ready, go.
Everlasting Father.
You're out of tune.
Everlasting Father.
Again. On the beat. 1, 2, 3.
Everlasting Father.
This is song. One.
That's a good idea.
Si dito siya naglagay. Ang ganda ng pagkakalagay niya kasi transparent ganyan kasi yun sa kanya. Maghanap na ako.
What about Almighty God? Almighty God. Because we're not going down to the measure 20. It's all. Altos, Almighty God.
Alto.
It's raised flat. You go. Yeah, you can help me. They go down, right? Because they're not going down. God, and then they're going down, right? Yes. Is it this one? You're not going down on your phone. The going down, we're not getting it correctly. So soprano one, Almighty God. Ready, go. Soprano two. Soprano two. And then the altos. Together, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Soprano two. You didn't get it. So, Aldous, your notes are correct, but the tone is not there. So I want you to sing really from here, not ah. It's like you're opening your vocal. You really have to not You see, if you have to exaggerate it, so that you will be attuned to how you sing it. So together again, Almighty God. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Better. You see, you hear yourself, it's better, right? Now let's go to page 13.
13.
1, 3.
Okay.
Let's wait for them to come back. 1, 3. Sing choirs of angels. Sing in exaltation. Measure, page 13, measure 85 to 90. Okay. Sing. I don't know the. Sing. What's this? Sing. Choirs of angels. Sing in exaltation. Oh, sing, Lord, ye citizens of heaven above. Okay, that's first soprano. Second soprano. Sing, choirs of angels. Sing in exaltation. Stop, and then everyone's listening. Again, second soprano. Ready, go. Sing, choirs of angels. Sing in exaltation. Okay, good. Altos, please. Sing, choirs of angels. Sing in exaltation. So it's like okay, together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sing, choirs of angels. Sing in sopranos. Can you, I don't know how to say it. Can you control the high note? Because it's the quality is
Ah. Oh.
There are some singers, even though they do that high, they have a very nice quality. But us, we're not professional, so we have to control.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, in the YouTube, they're not singing the O.
Yeah.
We're singing the O, right?
Yes.
This one, the 89, 92, the O sing. Can we sopranos? O sing measure 92, page 13. O sing. What's the note? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then what? Oh, okay. Go to page 15. Highest. The highest. I don't know.
Ah, highest.
Sa anong ano yun?
Yeah, 15. Page 15.
Page 15. But we cannot sing it. Let's do 105. 107. Glory in the highest. In the highest. What about the altos? Glory in the highest. And then soprano 2. Altos. Who's singing the highest? Are you separate there? Yeah, we should. Who is the alto? Alto one is a bit singing the higher note. Glory in the highest. It's the same note. So alto one. Glory in the highest. The alto 2 will say, glory in the highest. And then, make it nice. You still have to, like your skin. That's why the vocalization inside. So that is what I don't know. Maybe I should ask how to do that. Because we are getting the notes right, but the quality of the sound is not good. Okay. So let's sing like we're scaring someone. Okay. Go to page 16 to 17. Page 16 to 17. The ending.